Can you sing some your trademark Kabhi Kabhi? We would love to hear that.
Sure. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि ये बदन ये निगाहें मेरी अमानत है, कि ये बदन ये निगाहें मेरी अमानत है, ये गेजुओं की घनी छाव है मेरी खातिर, ये होठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है, ये होठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है।
Very good, very good. This is beautiful song, beautiful song. So nice lyrics and all. That's, I think I have to take you another interview to compare today's generation songs, lyrics, and during 60s and 70s. It's a big, big, big chapter. Lyrics are beautiful. Lyrics are so beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Dr. Vivek, one question is coming to my mind and perhaps everyone's mind, that we always, there's a myth that unless you have a good voice, you should not sing. I think, can you differentiate difference between to sing surme gana, and because I know few singers who do not have very that good voice, like everyone doesn't have Lata Mangeshkar or Kishore Kumar's like voice. You're born with your own voice. It's unique. They say no two twins are similar. So all of us have our unique voice. So so it's not always necessary to have a good voice to start singing. More important is to sing in a sur, right? Can you throw some light?
Yeah, singing, like you said, everybody has got a different tonal quality, and those I mean, that is the beauty of a voice, you know. Everybody has got a different type of texture, and but the music has got a discipline that you have to stick to the saptak, to the sur. Yes.
Sur. Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't follow this, I mean, that is not music. आप गा तो रहे हैं पर वो संगीत नहीं है.
संगीत नहीं है. True. Yeah.
So गाने और संगीत दोनों में ये फर्क है. संगीत दिल को, कानों को सुकून देता है, और सिर्फ गा लेना बिना सुर के
Yeah.
that can be hazardous to your ears and brain and everything.
Yeah.
So that is the difference.
Yeah. It's maybe counterproductive. Yeah.
तो अच्छी आवाज को तो मोल्ड करके अपन बना सकते हैं. We can practice and make it better.
Yeah.
But we have to practice
Yeah.
the sur.
Yeah.
That is most important thing.
Mm.
Besure log,
Yeah.
they cannot be tolerated by all.
Yes. Very true. Very true. So even whatever is your pitch and note and quality of your tone of your voice, if you sing in a sur,
Yeah.
its same sound will appeal like a surili awaj.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And what are other benefits of singing? Before I want you to sing 2-3 more songs, what are other benefits besides you told that it's kind of a worship? The God has given you voice. In fact, you are honoring God's that gift. Many people are born without voice. So let's not use our voice only for talking. So what are other benefits you feel now? COVID time is there. Is singing really a good stress buster?
Not only a stress buster, but it's a virus buster also.
Ah, virus buster. Tell me how.
Like Modi,
There, the Dr. Vivek as a pathologist now. Now he's changing his attire.
Modi ji appealed to the people that do Shankhanad kariye, ghanti bajaiye.
Yeah.
I mean, there are certain higher frequencies which are not tolerated by the microorganisms. And
Yeah.
causes them to burst. So music at that level is very helpful this way. Otherwise, music is to pacify your soul,
Yeah.
Is to pacify your brain. And when you sing a melodious composition, it not only consoles yourself, but also your surroundings.
Yeah.
You must have heard that the plants which are tending to die, or they are getting dried up, if you sing a melodious number to them every day, they revive.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And they start flowering also.
Yeah.
So that is the magic of music. People are using that music for the dairy also.
Dairy farm, yeah.
Yes, that increases their produce. And then there is a music therapy.
Yeah.
There are certain patients who are on the bed. They are not getting music in the hospitals or on their bed. What we do is we sometimes go to them with our sound system and all, and we sing for them.
Oh, beautiful.
Then we sing the songs of their choice.
Oh.
And they feel so happy.
Yeah.
And this music therapy changes not only their moods, but we have seen improvement. We have seen, they recover fast.
Yes.
So music is tremendous. I mean, music is godly. Yeah.
Yes, you're so right. Yeah, I can recollect the music therapy releases happy hormones when mood elevation is there, recovery is there. And that reminds me, I think I read somewhere that in our NICU, we have small premature babies. And there they had played in this public address, that sound system in the NICU, Mozart music. So they found that baby could sleep well. It was less disturbed sleep, especially if the lights are less, the audio alarms are less, and that soft, silent music is playing. It's a beautiful, it's very relaxing technique.
Yes.
Please, you have to sing few more songs, Mukesh. I mean, Dr. Vivek, what are song of your choice, your favorite song?
Yeah, my most favorite numbers are from film Anand. Kahin Dur Jab Din Ghal
Jaye. This is beautiful.
Yeah, I'll sing for.
Yes, please.
दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर आए, नजर आए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से।
Very good, beautiful.
दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए, कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे, दिल जाने मेरे सारे भेद ये गहरे हो गए, कैसे मेरे सपने सुनहरे, ये मेरे सपने यही तो है अपने, मुझसे जुदा ना होंगे इनके ये साए, इनके ये साए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए।
Very good, very good. Beautiful. You sing so nicely. I'm flowing in that emotions. Yeah, you're so right. Your mind is calming down. Your brain waves are slowing down. Your metabolism is so at quiet and comfortable level. And we as a doctor can realize and understand it so better. And the paradox is, at the same time, we doctors ourselves don't take out time for our hobbies and passion. That's precisely the purpose of having my interview with Dr. Vivek, because we have so many our doctor friends that the message I would like to give is, when Dr. Vivek can take out time out of his busy schedule, and mind you, he's a very successful doctor professionally. He has reached to high heights. Still he is maintaining, taking out time for his passion. So you and I doctors can also take it out.